friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video I'm going to show how the loan of different types can be created in Jainam Software. So to create loan you need to have a customer created in the system. You can create a customer from customer create menu. So when you click create customer, you will get an option where you can enter the customer details and create it. Assume that customer is created. So next is I'm going to search the customer by name. You can enter any character to search the customer name. Here I'll get an option of loan and deposit. So I click loan here and then I'll go to a loan screen where I'll get different options to create loan. So the first option is what type of loan. Here currently there are 4 type of loans defined. There are more than 25 loan types you can define. So for demo purpose just 4 types are defined here. So in personal, which means no character is required, and then you can enter amount, rate of interest and other information. So and if you select gold, then you need to define the gold ornament. Gold ornament can be picked up from the list. A list can be defined in a stock menu under stock list. Then quantity, I say 1, gross weight I would say 100, purity let's say 75% purity, and loan percent I would say 50% of total value. I want to give 50% of the loan. Then you can click add to draft. So this gold item is recorded in the system. So I would say 1 lakh loan, amount, then rate of interest 3, monthly 3% monthly. Then there are 2 types of the collection can be used for gold loan. One is runtime interest and second is first interest then principal. So I'm going to select this first interest then principal so that your installments will get created. So I entered 6, which is for 6 months. So what will happen in this case? 6 installments will be created for interest, and then you will have the last installment from principal for principal. And then let's say I define the date, let's say today's date, and then I click save. So this loan number 76 is created. So that is one thing. Then in case vehicle, so you can enter the vehicle details here, make, registration of the vehicle, dealer, and then amount. Okay, so once you create define all these details, you can click add to draft, and again the same screen will be there where you can create the loan for vehicle. And the 4th type is product. Product is kind of like electronic product or mobile product or any other product. So you can enter details here and then add to draft, and then you will get these options. Okay, so we have just created loan number 76. So I search loan number 76 here, and then I get to know that 3000 interest is showing here, and this will show you that this is a gold loan number 76 is created. If I click on that gold loan, so what will happen? I will get the details of gold loan here. So here I can see the list, the loan item here. Okay, and okay, now how to receive this installment. But before receiving the installment, I would like to explain one more thing, that is the installment tracker. Now installment tracker will tell you like how the installments are created. So for 6 months the interest created, and then for the last installment as a principal. There are different ways of defining this installment system. Actually it's all customizable. Through setting it can be customized. So let me know in case you have a different need of defining these installments, because it can be customized very easily in this Jainam software. Then what happened here, 3000, let me just receive this 3000. Okay, what will happen now? 3000 is received, so I click again installment tracker, and then one installment is marked as green, which means that installment is received. And then transaction, we can see transaction is actually the uh, amount flow, like cash or bank transactions, whatever happening, that will actually be shown here. Because what will happen, installment tracker, every installment like 3000 here, so customers pays like let's say 6000, then in that case two records will be marked green, whereas here one entry will be marked as like 6000 received. Okay, so this is how the gold loan is created in Jainam software. Now you can explore couple of the other things like a gold loan report and other reports for these transactions happen. Thank you for watching Jainam software.